Hey friends, is it safe to invest in Chinese stocks? They can change the rules anytime. Ant Financial IPO gone, CEO of TikTok stepping down, Didi just got put out of the App Store shortly after IPO. For-profit education in China is dead. Alibaba is fined 2.8 billion, making it the first loss in many years, and Tencent's monopoly over the music rights are gone. So how did all this start? In my opinion, it started from America. Trump got banned from Facebook and Twitter, and at this point, the governments realized that they are powerless against big tech. The power is consolidated to big tech CEOs. So in China, do you think that they will let this happen? This is the beginning of the Chinese government consolidating power. I'm not into discussions about politics. I'd rather talk about the implications to the stock market and the economy, the good and the bad. On one hand, this is good for America. China has weakened their own big tech. That is going to deter a lot of entrepreneurs in China. Larry Chen, the founder and CEO of Gaotu, that online education for profit, overnight, he lost his status as a billionaire. His shares are worthless. For-profit education is dead. Jack Ma had people rallied around him and cared about what he has to say. 3 months after house arrest, he came out looking like crap. And if you are a Chinese billionaire, you will start to look at moving your assets out of China, probably buying as much Bitcoin as possible. For the short term, entrepreneurs would really think twice. You work so hard, you work so long, all for nothing. Long term is also bad for China because less entrepreneurs. By the way, I hope you enjoyed this video so far. A thumbs up really helped me reach more people. But on the flip side, the argument is monopoly prevents competition. Each time a potential competitor comes up, they get acquired. China is encouraging competition. For example, Alibaba was fined $2.8 billion for anti-monopoly violations. And if you put your product on Alibaba, you can't advertise on other platforms. And since the fine, it has opened the doors for JD and Pinduoduo to gain market share. Of course, there's my counter-argument again to monopoly. I believe fighting for market share from a monopoly takes more effort than creating your own ocean. For example, Steve Jobs and Jeff Bezos created their own ocean. Elon Musk created multiple oceans from space to energy and Neuralink. I believe this is fundamental to the advancement of mankind, creating your own blue ocean. Let the free markets do its job and let the winners take the most value. Investing in Chinese stocks, you will need to factor in political risk. I wouldn't invest in Alibaba. If I had to choose one Chinese stock to invest, it would probably be Tencent. Tencent's main revenue are from games and not from music rights. This is just a small pinch to Tencent. And Tencent owns WeChat, and I'm sure the government has tight control of them, like top down, means less risk. And if you want to buy any other Chinese stocks, the furthest I will go is to make sure that they have a secondary listings in Hong Kong. At least if crap happens, you will have something back to fall on. Else the risk, in my opinion, it is not worth it. Are you guys investing in any Chinese stocks or intending to buy any Chinese stocks? Do let me know which ones in the comments below. Wrapping up, you can't invest in China using Western methods. They are authoritarian and national interest comes first. I don't expect high valuations for Chinese stocks because they always look cheap due to regulatory risk. It's priced in. I hope you learned something, and if you didn't learn anything, just go buy Tesla stock and do nothing for 10 years. I appreciate a thumbs up, and as always, invest safe.